everyone, I'm Gurvandana Gandhi from Oriflame India. We're back with another video fueled by the incredible support you've shown for our previous content. We have some amazing new launches and special products for you this month. But usse pehle, let's talk about something we all love and look forward to, traveling. I remember हमेशा जून में summer vacations के time my family used to take us for the vacation. This is where my love for traveling started. अभी recently मैंने एक study में पढ़ा कि people who travel frequently enjoyed a 7% increase in overall life satisfaction. While traveling is about pretty places and picturesque landscape, it goes a little deeper than that. It improves our well-being. Travel करते हुए, it is important to prioritize our wellness and beauty. This is why we have some special products for this month that you can carry with you on your travel. These essentials will amplify your traveling experience so you can come back happy, well and refreshed. To start with, we have the ultimate summer and travel essential, the Optimals UV Day Shield SPF 50. I think हम सबको पता है UV rays कितने harmful होते हैं for our skin. अगर आपको पता है कि आप ट्रैवल करने वाले हैं या काफ़ी टाइम आप एक्सपोज्ड हैं टू द सन, तो SPF 50 इज़ अ लाइफ सेवर. सिर्फ UV रेज ही नहीं, बट ये क्रीम पोल्यूशन से भी आपकी स्किन को प्रोटेक्ट करती है विद इट्स स्पेशल इंग्रेडिएंट पॉलीप्रोटेक्ट. और इसमें लिंगनबेरी एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स हैं जो फाइट करते हैं फ्री रेडिकल से, while algae's amino mineral complex keeps skin hydrated and supple. एक स्पेशल बात ये है कि इसका लाइट वेट फॉर्मूला feels so good on the skin. Unlike other SPF creams, it is fast absorbing and so easy to fit into your skincare routine. Make the Optimals UV Day Shield SPF 50 a part of your routine and you will see visibly reduced signs of aging and dark spots in just 2 weeks. क्या आप जानते हैं कि आपकी स्किन एजिंग के साइंस कम दिखते हैं अगर आपकी स्किन हाइड्रेटेड है? As we age, the skin loses its natural moisture production capabilities. This is why we need skin hydration on the go. Novage Plus Pro-Ceuticals Micro Essence Multi Mist is an advanced face mist with potent active lactobionic acid that delivers superior hydration and gentle exfoliation. Skin hydration is the key if you're always on the go. नहीं तो आपकी skin signs of aging show करेंगी and dull लगेगी. इसलिए Novage Plus Face Mist अपने साथ रखिए and reapply throughout the day for 8-hour hydration. और इससे आपकी स्किन replenish होगी for healthier and youthful looking skin. Do not worry, you won't have to do anything special to apply this. आंखें बंद करके directly spray करें from at least 20 cm distance and you're good to go. Travel safely with the ultimate skin hydration mist in your pocket. In our country, summers can often be brutal with soaring temperatures ranging to 45 degrees Celsius. And summers के साथ-साथ humidity भी होती है in rainy season. While the weather becomes better in the rainy season, your skin does not. If you are someone dealing with oily and blemish-prone skin, then sweat and heat in the summer can lead to increased sebum production, जिससे आपकी skin और भी oily हो सकती है and blackheads भी develop हो जाते हैं. This is why you need effective products that don't dry your skin. The Pure Skin range is one such wonder that works to reduce oiliness and blemishes. First up in the range, we have the Pure Skin Smoothing Face Scrub. ये आपकी स्किन केयर रूटीन को परफेक्ट करेगा by cleansing and purifying the skin deeply. इसमें है salicylic acid जो pores unclog करता है and आपकी स्किन पे एक gentle effect के लिए इसमें soothing complex of basil, green tea and panthenol भी है. 94% of the consumers agree that it exfoliates the skin and removes dead skin cells. Add this scrub into your routine to fight oily skin and blemishes in this heat. The second wonder in the range is the Pure Skin 5-Minute Oil Control Clay Mask. अगर आपकी oily skin है तो आपने already काफ़ी oil mask use करे होंगे. But let me tell you, this is different. एक तो ये काफ़ी effective है to reduce oiliness. एंड ये ब्लेमिशेस फॉर्म होने से भी रोकता है. एंड इसमें भी सैलिसिलिक एसिड, सूदिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स विद पैंथेनॉल, बेसिल एंड ग्रीन टी है जो आपकी स्किन के लिए बहुत ही जेंटल है. एन इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट, 86% of consumers agree that it controls blemishes. Now go ahead and enjoy summers and let Pure Skin take care of your oily skin. Do you want to enhance your natural beauty? Jordani Gold एक legendary makeup range है which is loved by millions around the world. इस range में एक ultimate treasure है, the Jordani Gold Serum Infused Pearls. Do you know at least one jar is sold every minute worldwide? It is truly an iconic product. You must check out the lovely reviews of the pearls on our website. GG Serum Infused Pearls एक exclusive combination है of handcrafted pearls जो एक natural looking glow deliver करता है which is designed to last. हर shade में है carefully selected blend of pearls boosted with rich airbrushed pigments जो blush, bronze और highlight करते हैं and can be optimized for your desired finish. इससे सिर्फ आप मेकअप ही नहीं बट अपनी स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज भी कर सकते हैं और यूथफुल भी बना सकते हैं because this has hybrid care of hyaluronic acid and youth reveal serum. Hyaluronic acid moisturize और plump करता है जबकि youth reveal serum target करता है signs of aging और enhance करता है skin radiance और texture को. By using this product you will notice a weightless even finish that is created for a lasting duration. You will not believe how good the reviews are. Check out our pinned video on Instagram to see how much people love this product. Now, as we continue our journey through this month's catalog, let's introduce two more essentials: a nourishing hand wash and moisturizing lotion. These products are perfect for pampering yourself wherever your travels take you. वायरस और बैक्टीरिया से दूर रहने का एक इफेक्टिव तरीका है hand wash. It is recommended that the average adult must wash their hands regularly, at least 6 to 10 times a day. But the water in our cities and the hand wash that are generally available can make your hands dry. आपने कोविड के टाइम पे नोटिस भी किया होगा. The Essence & Co Poppy and Vanilla Hand and Body Wash comes with infused natural oils for hydration. इसकी scent भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. It smells like floral, poppy and warm vanilla. इसके साथ Essence & Co Poppy and Vanilla Hand and Body Lotion भी आता है. You can use them together for the ultimate moisturization. They both come with moisturizing formulas and are dermatologically tested and are also pH balanced. And the best part is, the bottle is up to 50% recyclable, making them good for the environment too. Now that we have covered skincare, makeup and moisturizing products, I want to talk about something revolutionary, something a lot of people have not even heard of. The Body Edition Anti-Stretch Mark Body Concentrate. It is very common for people to have stretch marks. बहुत बार तो stretch marks are caused by sudden weight loss or gain. Beyond this, even pregnancy and certain health conditions can cause stretch marks. 90% of new and expectant mothers agree that stretch marks are a worrisome concern regarding their looks after pregnancy, and it can really break confidence. But with the Body Edition Anti-Stretch Mark Body Concentrate, you can restore your confidence and deal with stretch marks. ये clinically proven है कि इसको use करने से stretch marks कम दिखते हैं and आप सिर्फ 2 weeks में visible results feel करोगे. This cream is made with CICA, also known as Centella asiatica, जो आपकी skin renewal में support करती है and साथ में improve करती है skin hydration. CICA कोई normal ingredient नहीं है, ये एक medicinal herb है with tons of skincare benefits. जब स्किन की इलास्टिसिटी कम हो जाती है तो स्ट्रेच मार्क्स के साथ ही सेल्यूलाइट का बिल्डअप भी कॉमन हो जाता है. यूजुअली सेल्यूलाइट सिर्फ लोअर बॉडी एब्डोमेन और थाई रीजन में होता है. While it doesn't cause any health concerns, many feel it hampers their confidence and body image. The Body Edition Smoothing Body Scrub is a gel that is formulated with ingredients that are considered the gold standard of skincare, such as niacinamide, जिससे आपकी स्किन का फर्मनेस इम्प्रूव होगा और साथ ही साथ the cream has natural origin ingredients that exfoliates the skin with alpha hydroxy acid, that is AHA, and makes it more supple. इस महीने ट्रैवल करने का मैं आपको एक रीज़न बताती हूँ. You know, Father's Day is on 16th June, and what else could be more relaxing than a vacation for your father? I have noticed many fathers just travel for work. Let's change this with a quick trip to his favorite destination. While you're packing your bags, do not forget about our special products that you can get this Father's Day. These products will make the perfect gift for your dad. We have the North for Men, This is a range of products designed for sensitive skin जो skin barrier को protect and support करता है. It is dermatologically tested and will protect your skin from damage caused by pollution क्योंकि इसमें sage और magnesium है. North for Men में 3 products हैं. Hair and body wash, 2-in-1 shaving and cleansing gel and a roll-on deo. जब ये तीनों products साथ में use होंगे तो you will get a layering effect of the refreshing scent for longer. The hair and body wash is quite gentle on the skin और effectively remove करता है dirt and impurities को. This has the goodness of magnesium, sage, Arctic Fro Defense and vitamin E. In this lineup, the next is the roll-on deo which provides you a 72-hour protection and ये specially craft हुआ है for sensitive skin. इसमें जो magnesium and sage है उससे sweat, bad odor reduce होगा and skin barrier भी protect करेगा. To top it all off, we have the ideal 2-in-1 shaving and cleansing gel. Why am I calling it an ideal cream? Because it does not have any alcohol. The men know how uncomfortable it could get after a shave and the alcohol in the product gives a burning sensation. This comes with a special glide technology for a comfortable shaving experience. Complete the Father's Day gift with a powerful and fresh scent of Venture Power EDT. Crafted by Elise Benath, the perfume captures the spirit of exploration and journey, making it an ideal gift for those who like to travel. Venture Power में एक energizing Sicilian bergamot spicy notes of black cardamom है with a woody base of patchouli. This combination creates a compelling impression that lasts long. With all your travels and globe-trotting, one should not forget about their wellness. To complete your wellness routine, get Philosophy Calcium, Vitamin D and Magnesium capsules. Did you know that 85% of the Indian population is deficient in vitamin D? Moreover, only 9% of the rural population and only 14% of the urban population reach the recommended daily intake level of calcium. And once you start turning 40, you slowly start to lose bone density. And this loss is even more drastic for women. Calcium intake complete करना just with our regular diet is challenging क्योंकि हमारी bodies को daily 1000 mg calcium per day की requirement होती है. इस Philosophy supplement में calcium के साथ साथ magnesium और vitamin D भी है जिससे आपकी bones and teeth health को support मिलता है and calcium absorption भी better होता है. और साथ में this supplement is totally safe for consumption because इसमें ना कोई preservatives हैं, ना ही artificial flavors and ना ही GMO. And ये vegetarians के लिए भी suitable है. The Philosophy Calcium with Vitamin D and Magnesium एक healthy choice है to complete your recommended daily intake. I'm sure you want your bones to be healthy. You don't want it to slow down your world expedition. So this was all about this month's special products and new launches. Every product is crafted with love and care for you. And साथ में हमारे products strict European safety standards से बने हैं, so you know they're good for you. अब आप जब भी next कहीं vacation पर जाएं, तो keep these products with you for your overall beauty, hygiene, skin care and wellness. आप हमें comments में ज़रूर बताइए कि आप अब कहाँ घूमने जा रहे हैं and इनमें से कौन से products अपने साथ लेके जाएंगे. We have more such exciting products for you in store. And you can now become a VIP member to get exclusive discounts and offers. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and YouTube and stay tuned for our next video.